Hi, Gil from Testing Gil here. Let me tell you a story. This story you usually hear about other people. This one happened to me. This was a while ago. I was part of a team and we ran our tests on CI. Most of our tests were unit tests. That means that the suite was stable. If something happened, that was probably a bug. That continued until something weird started happening. Every once in a while, a test run would end abruptly. Now, this happened only at night. Never happened in the daytime. We started looking at the server logs and we saw that the server would just stop working. Completely. Now, this was pre-cloud time, so it were our servers. Turns out that the cleaning crew that came at night sometimes unplugged them to do their job and then reconnected them. Told you it happens to other people, and I was the other people. So, why am I telling you this? Because when it happened, we couldn't understand what was going on. The tests seemed perfect, because we wrote them. And we saw them passing for the right reason and failing for the right reason. It's the wrong reason that we missed. Why? Because we assumed. We assumed that the tests will run automatically exactly the same way that we run them manually. That they will run the same way on CI, the same way that they ran on our computers. And that no one in their right minds will disconnect the server. But you don't need a cleaning crew to break tests. Let me show you an example of an assumption we make when we write tests. In our bigger, better bookstore, we have an API. Get orders today. You understand completely what it does, right? Gets you the orders that were done today. So it's easy to write a test for it, like this. We add an order, call our endpoint, and we expect to see the order there, which works most of the time. You see, somewhere around midnight, the clock's going to turn between the two calls. Now, what are the chances that the test would actually run in midnight and this would happen? Almost none. Almost. We assume that this will never happen when we write this test. But that's the thing about fragile tests. They seem to break out of nowhere. You come in the morning, you run the test, it will pass every time. Because it's sunny outside. Let's take it one step further. There's another assumption hidden in there. What happens if the servers are located in a different time zone? We may start seeing a strange behavior. Sometimes today is today, but sometimes it's yesterday. Again, we see this as weird because every time we run it, as normal people, it's in the same place. Writing tests that act on time, date, locale, assumptions just creep in as we write those tests. Or the genie does it for us. AI always brings its own assumptions. We are full of assumptions, so we need to be aware of them so our tests will not inherit them. Lucky for you, there's a webinar on that. Modern API testing, fighting flakiness. I'll show you my 7 suspects of assumptions, how to spot them, and how to get around them. It's only 1 week away. Register now, link below. And now, it's your turn. Tell me about the weirdest time-related bug that you've ever seen. Was it a cleaning crew-related bug? Thanks for watching. If you like this video, like, subscribe, share it, and watch other videos on this channel. Until next time, bye-bye.